Good morning, this is Kym Watson of Easy Trader doing a review of the key news events for the coming week exclusively for forexbase.com. Okay, the big stories last week were the ECB, they actually cut their rates in anticipation of a slowdown in growth and low inflation. It caught most of us out. We was expecting it to be announced that it may happen next month, but they just did it there and then. So that was the sort of the big story that caught everyone out. Then we followed up on Friday with better jobs report in the US, which saw the euro sell off quite a bit. In the UK this week's the big story really is the Bank of England Governor Carney going to become a dove as well. We've seen the hints and the slowdown in the US and Europe. Is the UK above all this, or are we going to see potential softening of terms in the UK? Okay, so Monday the 11th of November, no significant news out. In fact, it's a bank holiday in France and in the US, so I expect this Monday to be quite a flattish week, a flattish day rather, in real trading terms, and certainly no key news there. Tuesday, all we've really got there is the UK services PMI, CPI rather, consumer price index. So the inflation figure, we do sometimes get a reasonable move off this. However, with Wednesday coming up, what we've got there is the apart from the claimant count, we've got the inflation report, which is the key thing there. And I think that may overshadow the CPI report anyway. Although the CPI may give us a clue to the inflation report, but what we're really looking forward to is the Mark Carney's speech at 10:30, which may give us some further forward guidance, as he did in August. Of course, not to be overlooked is the claimant count figure at 9:30, quite a key figure, because at the moment, from what Mark Carney said originally, we're looking for jobs to get down to the unemployment figure to get down to the 7% area before they start doing anything about increasing interest rates. Well, if inflation is dropping, that could just be put on the sidelines for now. Thursday, we got the flash GDP figures coming out from early as 6:30 in the morning. These figures, it's weird, but Europe, the GDP, all that's a flash, and it's the primary figures. They don't give much of a move in general. And what with last week's press conference, I think we've already been given a bit of forward guidance that these aren't going to come out too spectacular. Then we've got the UK retail sales. Again, it can give some reasonable moves. That's out at 9:30 in the morning. Friday, no significant news, so it really is a quiet week in terms of key news events this coming week. Hope you have a great one. Bye for now.